Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do the TypeWriter effect in DaVinci. All you have to do is just click on this title tab and you have to just drag and drop. And now you have to scroll up and you can add your title. And now you can even change its size and you can even change its position. And now what you have to do is you have to just scroll down and you have to pull the right on all the way to 0 and add a keyframe. And now you can extend your video and add a keyframe again, and you can extend your right on again. As you can see, if I stop my video, it is showing me TypeWriter effect. So that's it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.